All these drawings are drawn by a robot in less than 1 minute. First, go to discord.com. Download for Windows. Run the downloaded file. Click here if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, click here. Enter the desired username and password. Enter your date of birth. And after reading the rules, check this box. Continue. Prove that you are not a bot or malware. You have successfully entered Discord. Please go to your email and verify. Discord is a social network that has many great uses. Now we are going to get acquainted with a painting robot. Search for the word Midjourney. Enter the site. Join the beta. Your registration is complete and the bot has joined your Discord channel. Go to one of the rooms to work with this robot. Search in the typing section. Image. After the /image command, search for what you want the robot to design. Remember that you are allowed to do 25 commands. After searching, press Enter. Now there are 4 different positions open to you than you want. Have a nice day.